Okay, now let us do it. Because we're given that t is strictly larger than 0. Okay? Let us start with t at 0. If t is equal to 0, what is x and y? Very good, thank you. And when t is equal to 1, x will be square root of 1, which is 1, right? And what is y? Very good. And when x is equal to 2, square root of 2, and y will be 0. At x is equal to, t is equal to 3. Very good. And y will be? Very good. At 4, it will be 2. Very good. And y will be? -2, right? We can pick some more values here. If 5, 6, 8, and yeah, etc. Let us say if we pick it at 9, right? At 9, then square root of t, it will be, what is it? 3. And what is y? -7. The reason we pick these values is that try to pick some smart numbers so that we know enough information to draw a graph. Okay. Now we see that x will be in the range from 0 to 3, and y will be from 2 to -7. Okay. It means that, okay, let us graph it here. If here is the graph, then x will be from 0 to 3, and y it will be from 2. Let's say if this is 2, right, and here is 0, and 1 unit will be 1 square. Right here it will be -1, -2, -3. -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay, we should indicate some numbers so that the reader can understand what the system we choose here. 0, 1, 2, 3. You don't have to pick the same distance as in the x-axis, because we know that in the x-axis it's run from 0 to 3 only. So it's your choice to pick it. If here is 1 unit, then definitely 2 will be here and 3 will be here, right? Now we plot some values of these. At t is equal to 0, x will be 0 and y will be 2. It means that it should be this point right here. That is the first pair here. The second one, when t is equal to 1, x will be 1, y will be 1. Where is it? Right here, right? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. It will be this point. At x is equal to, at t is equal to 2, then x is square root of 2. Square root of 2, what is it? Is it 1.4 something? Right, 1.41. 1.5 is near the half here, so 1.4 should be somewhere here. That is x. And y, it would be 0. It means that, okay, it would be near this point. Okay. X is equal to square root of 3. What is it? Is it 1.6 something? 1.72, 73. 1.73. This is 1/2, 1/7. It would be somewhere here in the x. And y would be -1. It would be this position. Okay. Here at x is equal to 2, y is -2, this point, etc. And then x is equal to 3, y would be -7. We know these values, right? So a better guess would be we pick some more points in between when t is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. But we know that the trend, it would be, we follow these points. That is why we have that, okay, if we can connect these graph, that is good enough to draw this graph. Okay, but remember, t here is strictly positive. So can we pick this point at 0, 2? At x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2? No. Thank you. That is why we use a hole right here to indicate that we are not allowed to pick this point. And the question here, we should use, sketch this curve and use arrows to indicate the direction when t increase. Okay, we know that when t increase, it will go this way. Therefore, let us indicate this by using this arrow here. And t will continue going up to infinity, so that is why it continue here. That's it, right? That is all about the graph. Is it clear? Very good. Right? Now, here, x is equal to square root of t. Y is equal to 2 minus t. We want to write it in Cartesian coordinate. Cartesian equation. It means that we need to write f in terms of y is equal to fx of something, right? That is the target. Or we can write it as a function g of the variable x and y is equal to 0. Either way is fine. Okay? It means that we need to somehow eliminate the variables t, the parametrics here, right? What should we do? Very good. Here, we see that y is in terms of something of t, right? And x is square root of t. Therefore, we're given that x is square root of t. Therefore, we can write the relation between x and t here. It means that x squared is equal to t. Very good. Good job. If x is equal to t here, y is equal to 2 minus t, then we can write this t in terms of x here, right? How does it become? Yeah. Very good. Okay. 2 minus x squared. That's it. And remember, as we have been playing a lot with the quadratic function x squared here, right? Oh, yes. Sorry? Good point. Okay. And we know here, the condition is that square root of t here, because that is what I was about to explain here. Furthermore, t is larger than 0, therefore, x is square root of t should also be strictly positive, right? So finally, the equation will be y is equal to 2 minus x squared, and where x is strictly positive. That's it, right? But let us play a little bit more with this guy. Remember? Yeah, we are done here. But let us understand a little more here. We've been playing a lot with this special case, the even function. When y is equal to x squared, what is negative of y, negative of x squared? It will be flipped, right? The properties of the graph. This is x squared, then here will be y is equal to negative x squared. Flip negative value. And then if we add 2 to this curve, it will be, if this is 2, then the curves become this, right? And here, it makes sense. Here is the curve quite similar to what we have here, right? So we are confident with the solution now.